Want to learn about t-shirt business profit? If you are starting a t-shirt business and you want to learn about t-shirt business profit margins so you can make sure that you're creating a sustainable business, grab your pen and paper. I'm going to show you exactly how to price your shirts so you have enough profit margin to create a sustainable business. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, founder and CEO of Godlywood, creator of the T-shirt business Accelerator. And my purpose in life is to connect with the resources you need to achieve your purpose in life. So aligned with that mission, today's video is sponsored by the Godlywood T-shirt business Accelerator. It is my 5-day online coaching program where I personally will help you launch your own print-on-demand t-shirt business online. Click the link in the description box below to apply to the upcoming Accelerator. And if you're ready to learn about t-shirt business profit margins so that you can price your shirts correctly, grab your pen and paper, let's dive in. So step number 1 to making t-shirt business profits is to understand the base cost of selling your shirts. Base cost includes the cost of goods sold, so the cost of actually printing, shipping, manufacturing the shirt, any advertising costs that it costs you in order to make that sale, any overhead costs, all the costs involved with you creating that shirt for your customer is included in the base cost of your shirt. The only way to be able to make profit in your margin is to make sure that you are selling your shirt at a high enough price point that you are keeping margin in your business. So you're not going to know what that price point is unless you know the base cost of your shirt. Take a look at what the print-on-demand company is charging you for the shirt. Take a look at how much you're spending in Facebook ads and your average cost your average ad spend for each sale that you make. Take a look at the cost of your email marketing, your overhead, anything like that, and calculate the base cost of selling each shirt. Step number 2 is to figure out what profit margin you want to have. So profit margin is the percentage of money you keep every time you make a sale. So for example, if you make a sale of $10, but you only keep $1, your profit margin is 10%. You don't want to do that. Having an on-demand, print-on-demand business model, t-shirt business model, should allow you to have at least a 50% profit margin or more. The only way for us to be able to scale our businesses online and be able to invest in marketing and advertising and growing a team is to have enough margin in our business so that we have money left over whenever we make a sale. So you want to figure out what is your desired profit margin in your business. I highly recommend it to be at least 50%. Which means when you make a sale for $10, you keep $5 of those dollars in your pocket. You keep half of the money that you make at least. In my own business, I like to have a 65% profit margin, which means if I make a sale for $10, I want to keep $6.50 of that money. That way I'm able to invest in growing my company. I'm not in here for 5-6 months for Godlywood Girl. I'm in this for the long term, and I need money to be able to invest in the business and scale it. So that's why I like to do things at 65% profit margin. But that's a personal decision. Figure out how much profit margin you want to make in your business. Just make sure it's at least 50%. And step number 3, now that you know your base cost of selling your shirts, now that you know the desired profit margin you want to have, now you can calculate the price that you are going to sell your shirts at. You're going to calculate the price you're going to sell your shirts at. This is your price point for your shirts. Now, to determine profit margin, there is a very simple formula to use. It is revenue minus expenses divided by revenue. This gives you your profit margin. So for example, if I'm selling a shirt for $25, my expenses are $10, then that means $30 minus $10 is $20 divided by $10. That is how you figure out your profit margin in your business. So go ahead and use a calculator online to help you do this. There's the Omni calculator that you can use. I'm going to put the link to that in the description box below. And you're going to figure out how to get the correct profit margin for your business. Play with the pricing. Go ahead and put in your desired profit margin. Put in your base cost and just keep playing with the revenue until you get your desired profit margin. So if you are starting a t-shirt business online, make sure that you do these steps so you know what to charge for your shirts. When I first started my business in 2008, my first business in 2008, I was making 0.25% profit margin. That's why I had to keep working my 9-to-5 job. I didn't even understand that my profit margin was so low. It was actually my hairdresser who told me, she's like, sis, if you are only making 25 cents for every $10 that you put in your pocket, you are working for a company still. You're working for Amazon or whoever you're selling your products on. And that was when I really started to understand the importance of profit margin and pricing my products correctly so that I'm able to scale my business. So make sure that you do these steps, calculate the correct revenue you should be generating for each shirt. And if you need help, you want a checklist to help you stay on track while you launch your t-shirt business, make sure you grab my free t-shirt business checklist by clicking the link in the description box below. If you want me to help you as you launch your t-shirt business online using a print-on-demand business model, and on day 3 I show you profit margins and show you how to calculate it, make sure you apply for my upcoming t-shirt business accelerator. It's my 5-day online coaching program where I help you launch your own t-shirt business within 5 days or less. And finally, if you're not already subscribed to the Godly Girl YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for this channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ as a Christian entrepreneur. So if that's you, hit that subscription button, and God willing, I'll see you at Godlywood, girl. Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that Godlywood Girl releases. My mission with the Godly Girl YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the Godly Girl School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.